Today we're going to focus on this letter. B. 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 This is upper scale B, lower scale B, uppercase B, lowercase b. So uppercase B, lowercase b, big B, small b. Let's color it. B, 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 B. B, B. What's this? Bear. B, B, bear. Bear. B, B, bear. Bear. B, B. Ball. Ball. B, B, ball. This is a basketball. Ball. B, B, ball. B, B, ball. B, B. What is that? Banana. Banana. B, B, banana. When a banana is not ripe, it's green. So this banana is not ripe. That means it's not ready to be eaten. A green banana does not taste good. You should wait for a banana to turn yellow. You want a yellow banana, so let's turn it yellow. There, now we can eat it. Banana. Banana. B, B, banana. B, B. What's that? B, B. That's right. Bird. B, B, bird. Let's color this bird blue. This blue bird has a beak. Birds have beaks. Bird with a beak. B, b, bird. B, b, bird. B, b, bear. B, b, bear. Brown bear. Bear. B, b, ball. Ball. B, b, banana. B, b, banana. And then B, b, bird. Bird with its beak. The bluebird has a beak. I hope you had fun, and I'll see you in the next one.